So what's up, guys? My key fob went out. So yeah, I mean I got the backside, but it went out. So I got this. It was like 43 bucks at AutoZone. We're gonna be putting it in. It's the exact replica, and it already has a battery and everything. It's supposed to be easy to put in. So let's go to the garage. Let's put it in. Grab scissors. Okay, let's go. Optical light. Door. Okay guys, it was super easy install to do. You just turn the key 8 times and that gets it into programming mode, and then it'll work. So we can unlock it, shut it, lock it, release the trunk. So this pops to the trunk. Open it up, close it, and then we got the panic mode. So when I hit the panic mode, all the lights will flash and the horn will go. Like that. So yeah, pretty sweet.